Hello, I am Hamza Kawash from France. I work in Laplace with the research group in electromagnetism of University of Toulouse. I am going to speak about my work, design and demonstration of linearly polarized transmit array in X-band. The type of this antenna concept consists of one focal source that eliminates one first receive area, and you receive the energy in this level and will be transmit in the free space side by another array of antenna. The objective is to control the phase and the amplitude of the array. So the principal design challenge, it was in the level of the unit cell, how you can control the phase of the unit cell. This idea consists to control the phase by rotating the polarization of the field. So I post the patch antenna in the center of the cell, and the two patch was connected by via hole in the center. And without this C loop, you are not coupling between the two patch. You get one solution is to control the line of current. So we put C slot here in the patch and to force the current to pass from the gap here. And when you rotate the C loop, you can force the orientation, the electric field. So here, with the 4 cells, you can get 4 state of phase. You can see here the simulation and the measurement of the unit cell. It was measurement in wave guided in between. So we have good compromise between the simulation and the measurement result. With this prototype, it is a passive antenna. We can realize the beam steering only by tilting the focal source around the focal arc here. So you can tilt the beam until 30 degrees with only 3 bytes of gain reduce. So we can get Aldo here with this passive antenna. 9.6% of band and very good aperture efficiency, and and here you also study the impact of the misalignment of the focal source. You can, for example, here for error about 15 millimeter in the position of the focal source, you have very low variation of the direction of the mean lobe. The problem of the kind of antenna, it is the losses by spillover here. So for the next future works, you will try to reduce the losses of the spillover and increase the efficiency of this antenna. For the application, this kind of antenna can use it for many kind of application. For example, for satellite application, for automotive application, also for 5G communication. In the level of the base station. We validate this prototype in X-band because the measurement, it is very easy in this band. After that, we will shift this prototype in V-band. Thank you.